Hello traders, welcome back to today's analysis for 11th of July 2023. First, let us look into today's market behavior. While Nifty opened gap up, Bank Nifty opened slightly above the closing price. But as Nifty started to take support from our entry level, Bank Nifty showed resistance from our entry zone. And in these kind of situation, I always wait and watch for the right situation. But as Nifty started to fall, Bank Nifty started to rise. So again I had to wait and watch for the opportunity. And in 926 candle, in live market you could have observed there was a huge spike towards the previous close. So always remember, whenever there is a spike, market always tries to go back and fill the left out orders here, and again then it will retrace back. So I was sure market is definitely going to retrace back for the liquidity sweep here, and I wanted to short it here. But again at the same time Bank Nifty was rallying up, so I did not get any opportunity to enter the market. So I just marked this level in 5 minutes chart, that is a swing high, and I just waited for the price to reach there and waited for the opportunity. You can check, this is the swing high which I marked and decided to sell only near this level. If you go back to 1 minute chart and you see, there is a clear M pattern here. Later, I checked volume in Nifty. Even though the price was moving up, the volume was decreasing continuously. You can see it here. So I was pretty sure the market is going to fall. And at the same time, I even checked Nifty IT and Reliance. You can check it here. So this is Nifty IT. And you can check it here. Nifty IT also started to fall from the beginning of the session. And later I even checked Reliance also. Reliance in day time frame, I marked a high near the previous swing high, and I waited for the price to react near the resistance level. And you can see in Reliance also, in Reliance you can see when it came near the resistance, it started to show rejection. And here also you can see there is a M pattern. So I waited for the price to show rejection from the top, and then a spinning top was formed at the top showing indecision. If you go to lower time frame and see, I marked the bottom of the spinning top and waited for the price to break down, and at the same time you can see a head and shoulder pattern in Bank Nifty also. So as soon as this low is broken and even the spinning top low was broken, I entered the trade around 10:33. Today I traded Nifty instead of Bank Nifty. The reason behind that is, you can see Bank Nifty has already retraced half of its path and only 50% space is available for the retracement. But while in Nifty, we are trying to catch the market at the top and we have plenty of space to trade. So I entered my trade around 10:33 and I booked my profit around 11:39. That is somewhere near this. So we have successfully sold the index almost near the top and booked our profit almost near the bottom of the swing. So these are the confluences I always look for. Like here you can see, even though Bank Nifty was trading low and even the Nifty IT was falling, Reliance was the only stock which was pulling Nifty up. So I waited for the Reliance to reach its resistance and again looked for the confluences in the chart like indecisive candle, lack of volume, head and shoulder pattern. So this is the reason I always insist to trade only with the confluence. If you just think you can just sell at the resistance and buy at support, there are chances that your trade might go wrong. So always look for confluence before entering the trade. Now moving on to today's analysis. Again, Nifty is taking support on the same level and it has shown rejection from the bottom. And if you go to daily chart, as I had explained in my last video, even though there was efforts to push the market up again, even after having good volume, the market closed below the green candle. So in my last video, I had suggested the market might fall from here. But if you see today, it is kind of indecision candle. It is neither bullish nor bearish and it is also a inside candle again. So whichever side it breaks, there are very good chances that it might run in both directions. So I have marked levels for both buying and selling, but as Nifty is taking support from the bottom, I am bullish for tomorrow and this will be our entry level. Our first target will be 19,401, second target will be 19,440 and the third target will be 19,490. Keep an eye on this level 19,388. Market might show rejection from here or spend some time over here. I don't expect the market to trade below this level, and below this swing I consider the market to be bearish, and my first target will be 19,288 and the second target will be 19,234 and my third target will be 19,183. And if you observe today's market, you can see market is neither bullish nor bearish and it is trying to maintain equilibrium. And if you observe, again previous close has acted as support here. Always remember, previous day close will act as support or resistance whenever the market is opening gap up or gap down. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty also, there is no clear direction and I can see an indecision, but there is a huge selling volume. Tomorrow's market will be tricky for me and everything depends on the opening of the market. As you can see, market started to trend in the beginning and later in the second session it started to fall. But later on it started to trade in a range. So even in Bank Nifty also, breakout of this range will give a huge momentum tomorrow. And as I always follow Nifty, I am bullish in Bank Nifty also. And 44,800 will be our entry zone. Our first target will be 45,019 and the second target will be 45,185 and the third target will be 45,315. Below this range, my first target will be 44,620 and the second target will be 44,447 and the third target will be 44,243. Even in Bank Nifty, closing price will be very crucial tomorrow, and if you check in the daily chart, I had already explained, at the top we got an indecision candle with a huge volume and closing below this will make the market bearish. Even though the last candle closed below the spinning top, today it just covered the gap and retraced back up. Tomorrow's market will be very tricky and tomorrow's market opening will decide the direction of our trade. As I always tell, trade with confidence, and all these levels are in my TradingView account and the link is in the description box below. If you like my analysis, give it a thumbs up and do share with your trading friend. Happy trading.